The command prompt is a handy yet powerful tool available on a Windows PC. It's not only a way to access your computer's operating system and make changes, it can help with many other tasks, including troubleshooting. One of the most common tasks performed in the command prompt is a ping. A ping checks for connectivity and can help find delays in the network. For this process, pings get sent to a specific IP address that belongs to a host. Each reply is noted, along with the round-trip time. If there's no reply, there's no connectivity. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll demonstrate how to use the command prompt to check for connectivity to the internet and between VLANs. Next. For this demonstration, a wireless guest network has been configured on VLAN 2. This can be seen on the web user interface of my CBW access point. My Windows 11 laptop is connected to the guest network. I'll open the command prompt on my laptop to check connectivity. To do this, enter CMD into the laptop's search bar and select it. To start, I'll enter Ipconfig to confirm that I'm connected to VLAN 2 with an IP address of 192.168.2.104. Also listed the default gateway with an IP address of 192.168.2.1. This is the router that connects local area network devices to the internet. To confirm that I have access to the internet while I'm on the guest network, I'll ping a reliable Google DNS server with the IP address of 8.8.8.8. The replies were successful, so yes, I'm connected to the internet. That's great. Everyone on the guest network should be able to connect to the internet. Next, I'll ping the IP address of my corporate switch. It has an IP address of 192.168.89.138. This ping request is also returning successful replies. This shows connectivity to a device on the corporate network. That's not good. That means that when anyone is connected to the guest network, they can access devices in the corporate VLAN. This can lead to serious problems. Malware could be introduced, sensitive data could be exposed, records could be stolen, or worse. I definitely don't want guests to have this access. With just a few pings in the command prompt, you've gotten valuable information. If this is a real-life situation for you, restrictions can be configured on the switch. After the restrictions are put in place, a new ping will confirm that the problem has been solved. Click the link in the description to view this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.